A few months ago, I went on a trip and I made a mistake. I bought the wrong action camera. On paper, it looked insane. Crazy resolution, all the features. But when I actually used it, bad stabilization, terrible low light, and worst of all, I missed moments. And that's when I realized, with action cameras, it's not about what they say they can do. It's about what they actually capture when things are happening fast. What's going on, guys? My name is Kyle from Epic Deals. In this video, I'm breaking down the best action cameras in 2026, based on real-world use, who they're for, who should skip them, and which one is actually worth your money. Starting off, we have the DJI Osmo Action 6. Best for most people. Most people look at resolution first, 4K, 8K, but what actually matters is how the footage looks when conditions aren't perfect. And this is where the Osmo Action 6 stands out. It uses a larger 1.1 inch sensor, which is a big deal for an action camera. What that translates to in real life: better colors, more details in shadows and highlights, and cleaner footage overall. Then there's something you almost never see in action cameras: variable aperture. This means that the camera can physically adjust how much light it lets in. So when you go from bright sunlight, it controls highlights. Low lights, it opens up for better exposure. You don't have to think about it, it adapts. That's why this camera feels so consistent. And in terms of raw performance, 4K at up to 120 FPS for super smooth footage. It can also push into 8K territory for higher detail content. So whether you're filming travel, sports, or POV content, it looks sharp and stable. You can get up to around 4 hours of recording depending on settings. And more importantly, it still works in cold weather, where a lot of action cameras start failing. Most action cameras have terrible audio, but this one doesn't. You can connect two DJI wireless mics directly, no receiver needed. That means interviews, vlogs, content. This alone is a huge upgrade for creators. Now, this is where it separates itself from a lot of competitors. It has a 50GB built-in storage, gesture plus voice control, and dual screens. These aren't cool features. They remove friction. This thing is tough. It's waterproof up to 20 meters without a case. Handles drops, water, and rough usage, and it's designed for travel, sports, and daily content. This is for people who want a reliable all-around action camera. Reliable video without constant tweaking, good audio without complicated setups, a camera that actually works in any situation. Skip this if you want 360 content, you want heavy cinematic manual control, or you're focused purely on extreme sports. Now, if you're doing anything extreme, the GoPro Hero 13 is still king. Let's start with what you can actually see. This shoots 5.3K video, which is a noticeable jump from the standard 4K. So this means sharper footage, more details when you zoom or crop, and better overall clarity. And one underrated feature, you can pull 24.7 megapixel photos directly from your video. So instead of trying to time the perfect shot, you just film and grab it later. This camera takes slow motion more seriously. You can get up to 13 times slow motion, which is wild. This is where the Hero 13 separates itself. You can switch between different lenses depending on what you're shooting. Ultra wide for POV and landscapes, macro for close-up detail, ND filters for smoother cinematic motion, and anamorphic for that stretched film look. And the camera automatically detects the lens and adjusts settings. No fiddling, no guessing. This camera is waterproof up to 10 meters, can handle mud, snow, and impact, and it has a water-repelling lens which keeps your footage clear. You don't worry about it, you just use it. This is not a camera you baby. You mount it on your helmet, take it into the ocean, and throw it into unpredictable situations. This camera is for people who want fast movement and action, flexibility with different shooting styles, and a rugged, proven setup. Skip this if you want something simple and casual. You're mostly vlogging or doing everyday content, or you just don't want to deal with accessories. If your content involves speed, movement, or anything unpredictable, this is the camera that's built for it. Next up, we have the DJI Nano, the one that I actually use. Now this is where it gets interesting, because out of all these cameras, I use this one the most. For something this small, the quality is surprisingly strong. It uses a 1.3 inch sensor, which helps it capture more light than you'd expect, especially in situations where smaller cameras usually struggle. So in real life, low lights look cleaner, color looks more natural, and footage feels sharp and more usable. And you're still getting 4K at 60 frames per second, which is more than enough for YouTube, TikTok, travel content, or everyday shooting. This camera shoots with a 140-degree ultra-wide field of view, which makes a big difference. Instead of feeling zoomed in or tight, it captures more of the scene. More environment, more movement, more immersion. Perfect for POV style content. This is something most people won't expect from a camera this size. 10-bit color plus D-Log M. This means better color color grading, more flexibility when editing, footage that looks more cinematic if you wanted to. So even though it's a small camera, you're not limited creatively. This camera is lightweight, magnetic, and pocket-sized. You can literally clip it onto your shirt, bag, or hat, and forget it's there. For something this small, the battery is actually impressive. You can get up to 200 minutes of recording. That's longer than a lot of bigger action cameras. Here's another underrated win. It has 128GB built-in storage. You can literally take it out of the box and start filming immediately. Like the bigger DJI cameras, you can connect two microphones directly. It's waterproof up to 10 meters, splash resistant with accessories, and built for outdoor use. So whether you're walking in the rain, near water, or just outdoors, you don't have to worry. This is for people who want a camera that they'll actually use every day. Easy, no setup recording, good quality without complexity, and a lightweight travel or POV camera. Skip this if you need top-tier cinematic quality, you're doing extreme sports, or you want more manual control. Now, if you care about image quality over everything else, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is on another level. The first thing you notice with this camera is the image. It uses a 1.3-inch sensor paired with a laser lens, and that combination makes a real difference. This means better colors, more details in highlights and shadows, so footage that looks closer to a real camera, not just an action cam. And it pushes all the way up to 8K video plus 4K at 60 frames per second HDR. So whether you're shooting high detail content or just want smoother footage, it delivers. This camera has a dedicated low light mode with AI noise reduction, so night footage doesn't turn into a grainy mess. Instead, details stay visible, brightness is balanced, and your footage is actually usable. There's a reason the footage looks more polished. The camera uses two separate AI chips, one for image processing and one for overall performance. So everything from noise reduction, color processing, and stabilization happens more efficiently. You also get active HDR and laser color profiles. It also has a wind guard system combined with improved audio processing, which helps cut out wind noise, especially when you're moving fast. So whether you're riding, walking, or filming outdoors, your audio is actually usable. This is where it actually leans into content creation. You get a flip touchscreen, magnetic mounting system, pro recording, and 4K clarity zoom. And then there's the biggest time saver, AI auto editing. The camera can actually find highlights and create a ready-to-share video for you. This is for people who want the best quality in an action camera. Strong low light performance, a more professional look without a full camera setup. Skip this if you just want simple point and shoot. You don't plan to edit or create content, or you're on a tight budget. And then there's this, the Insta360. This camera works completely different. Instead of pointing it, it records everything. The camera shoots 8K 360 video using dual lenses to capture everything around you. And that changes everything. You capture the entire scene and decide the angle later. This means you never miss the moment, you don't stress about framing, you can create multiple angles from one clip. This is the effect you've probably seen everywhere. You're walking and it looks like someone is filming you from behind or above, but there's no one there. The selfie stick literally disappears from the footage. So you get third-person angles, drone-style shots, and cinematic perspectives, all from one camera. Even though it captures everything, it still looks smooth. That's because of flow state stabilization, plus the 360 horizon lock. So even if you rotate the camera or move aggressively, the footage stays level and stable. You get 8K resolution, active HDR, and better color balance in difficult lighting. One underrated feature, it has replaceable lenses. So if you damage the lens, you don't need to replace the whole camera. You just swap out the lenses. You also get AI-powered editing tools, one-tap templates, and easy reframing options. So even if you're not experienced, you can still create really dynamic content. This is for people who want the most creative and flexible camera, unique cinematic angles, social media-ready content, or a different way of shooting. Skip this if you want a simple point and shoot. You don't want to edit footage, or you prefer traditional framing. If you don't want to overthink it, the best overall is the DJI Osmo 6. Best for action is the GoPro Hero 13. Best everyday is the DJI Nano. Best quality is the Insta Ace Pro 2. And the most creative is the Insta360. You can find links to all the products in the description below. Check them out, compare prices, and pick what fits your setup. Just so you know, these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. Using these links helps support the channel so we can continue bringing you free content just like this. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to Epic Deals, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.